There was a young man named Omar who felt lost in his life. He faced difficulties at every step and quickly gave up at the first problem he encountered. He used to rely on others to solve his problems and did not trust himself or his abilities. One day, Omar heard about a wise old man who lived in a small hut deep in the forest and was known for his wisdom and advice. So he decided to visit him. Perhaps he would find with him the key to the success he was looking for. Omar arrived at the old man's hut and complained to him about his condition, speaking about his feeling of loss and failure and about his search for the key to success. The old man listened intently to Omar's words and then told him that the key to success is at the top of that large and distant mountain if you can reach it. To him, you will find the key. Omar woke up early in the morning and set out for the mountain. On his way, he faced many difficulties. He felt tired and exhausted and wanted to return, but he remembered the old man's words and decided to continue on his way. Omar found many challenges on his way. He faced great difficulty in providing food during his journey, so he had to depend. Based on his skills in hunting and collecting wild fruits, he hunted small animals using traps or stones and collected fruits and nuts from trees. Omar faced great danger while hunting, as he had to confront predatory animals such as wolves and leopards. After great difficulty, Omar reached the top of the mountain and began searching for the key that he talked about. The old man, but he did not find anything, and he felt failure and frustration again. He decided to come down from the mountain and return to the old man. When he reached his hut, he said to him, "I reached the top of the mountain, but I did not find the key to success. I failed again." The old man smiled and said to him, "Rather, you succeeded, my son. You have changed during your journey to the mountain. You relied on yourself, faced difficulties, and were patient until you reached the summit. What you did on your way is the key to success." The truth is that Omar finally realized that the old man had given him a great lesson in his life, which is that the key to success does not lie in a place or a material thing, but rather it exists within him. It has changed Omar's outlook on life, and he began to trust himself and his abilities and faced life's difficulties with courage and determination. Omar's journey to the top of the mountain was not easy, but was full of challenges and dangers. But Omar overcame these challenges thanks to his determination and persistence, and learned that the key to success is self-reliance, patience, and perseverance. The lesson of the story is that the key success exists within us. We must trust ourselves and face life's difficulties with courage and determination. Self-reliance is the key to success in achieving goals, and patience and perseverance are the secrets of reaching the top.